welcome to this video. Today, we'll dive into an insightful book that blends deep ideas with practical applications, a guide to seeing the world from a fresh perspective. We'll break down the key concepts, share real-life examples, and explore how the lessons from this book can transform the way you think and live. Whether you're looking for inspiration to grow personally, improve your skills, or simply enjoy an engaging story packed with wisdom, this video is for you. Stay tuned until the end for extra tips on applying the book's insights to your life. Let's get started. Summary of How to Think Like Socrates. The book, How to Think Like Socrates, aims to equip readers with critical thinking and philosophical skills inspired by the renowned Socratic method. It serves as a practical guide for anyone looking to improve their analytical abilities, approach life's challenges thoughtfully, and communicate effectively. Key ideas. The Socratic method. The book delves into Socrates' approach to dialogues, emphasizing the power of sequential questioning. This technique uncovers hidden assumptions and fosters critical thinking, leading to deeper truths. The power of questions. Emphasizing the role of effective questioning, the book encourages readers to challenge conventional ideas and seek deeper understanding, rather than passively accepting information. Enhancing critical thinking. Practical exercises help readers develop their ability to analyze arguments, evaluate evidence, and use logical reasoning to form their own perspectives. Constructive dialogue. The book highlights the importance of respectful and open conversations as a tool for growth and discovery, providing tips for engaging in meaningful discussions. Benefits of the book. Improved analytical thinking. Teaches readers how to identify and avoid logical fallacies, making better decisions in both personal and professional contexts. Greater self-awareness. Offers tools for understanding one's own beliefs and values, promoting personal growth. Advanced communication skills. Enhances the ability to articulate thoughts clearly and persuasively. Deeper understanding of life. Encourages readers to ponder life's big questions through Socratic inquiry, offering a fresh perspective on everyday issues. Core message. The book is a call to embrace independent and creative thinking, echoing Socrates' belief in the power of constant questioning as the foundation of wisdom. It provides actionable insights for rethinking how we approach knowledge, conversations, and personal development. If you are eager to delve into philosophy and enhance your critical thinking skills, How to Think Like Socrates is a valuable addition to your library. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating insights of this book. We hope you've gained a fresh perspective, discovered practical tips, and felt inspired to apply these lessons to your own life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content like this. Have thoughts or questions about the book? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next video.